The things that have changed between me and Nicole is we have a much stronger mother-daughter relationship, even though I'm not her biological daughter. I do love and care for her now, and I love being in the same room with her and being around her, and she's such an amazing grandma to our son, and I love watching her play with him and just watching her actually be involved in Bronson's life and in our son's life, and she's grown so much from all of her experiences, and we all have grown as a family together. We're much more closer now.
Me and McKenna have a 1 year, 2-month-old boy, and he actually got really sick 2 weeks back.
So we were about ready to take him to the hospital the next day if things hadn't gotten somewhat better. And I texted Nicole that night and informed her on what was going on.
And she performed a healing, and no more than the next day he was better.
Up and playing and eating full meals and just being the normal kid that he is, just having such a wild energy. It made me personally 100% believe in what she does, because my son was about ready to go into the hospital, and now all of a sudden he is up at playing with toys and wanting to go outside, and I just couldn't. I believed it. It was such a shock for me that something so small that Nicole did by just performing and healing to him, he was completely healed and better now. So that was the incident of our kid getting sick, and she healed him. That's what made me believe in what she could do.